Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lonnie Johnson. I have another fix for you here today. This is my Enercell battery charger I got from Radio Shack. Now I fixed it once and one of these right here failed. As you can see right here, it failed on me. So all of these actually failed at one time, but I fixed them. And now I'm going to show you how to get into this and fix these to where they work again, so you don't have to throw your battery charger away. But this one here, as you can see, there's no more spring to it. It doesn't want to go nowhere. So stick around and I'll show you how to take this apart and take care of that problem. To get started, let's go ahead and take this lid off. So just push it to one side and pop it out. Now you want to take this and flip it over. Now go ahead and remove all these little rubber feet just by grabbing them and just pull it towards you. And as you can see, it just pops off. Put them out of the way. Don't put them where the sticky part is facing down. Just go ahead and put them up out of the way to where they don't get dust or anything on, because whatever hits them, it will stick to the bottom, and you may have to clean it off, put some more glue on it to get them to stick later. And now what you need is one of these. As you can see, it's like a triangle to get down in there, because that's the kind of head that these things have on them. This is what I bought in order to just get that tool. And I can't remember if I got it from Amazon or if I bought it from Walmart. Now there's 5 screws. You got 4, as you can see, but right here there's one covered up. You have to tear that paper off right there and go down in here and take that screw out. So I'm going to go ahead and take these 5 screws out right now. Now that all the screws are out, we need to take these side covers here off. So these also come in the kit, which makes it very handy, because all you got to do is take it, stick it inside here, take the other one and put it along the edge here and just pry that clip out, and it comes right off. I mean, you can still use a small screwdriver to do this. I'm just using these because they came with the kit. And do the other side the same way. Now if you don't have any of these, you can go ahead and take a small screwdriver and just stick it in here. See, right there's a little hole where the clip is. It might be a little tough. Yeah, you just pry it out and then pull it on off. Shouldn't break. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this off. Just push it up real good. See, it's got little fasteners on it as well. I mean, if nothing else, if it's too tight, just get a screwdriver in there and just pop it out. Now here's our springs right here. And as you can see, I went ahead and made mine work. So as you can see right here, there used to be a little plastic tab that stuck up that this went in, but on all 4 of them it broke off. So what I've done is I've taken this, brought it over, and just threaded it down into the part that was still there. So I'm going to grab my little tool here, because it's the same as these screws as well. I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to put it in that hole right there. I'm going to tighten it down. Since this piece here is broken off kind of down to the plastic and the screw will not connect to it, I got a 5/64 bit. I'm going to drill a hole down in there. Just make sure if you're drilling, you drill it right down in the center of here, because that's where you want that screw to go. Now as you can see, you can go all the way through. It's not going to hurt anything, because you got this big space right here for the screw to stick out of, but we're not going to go that deep into it. We just need to make sure we make a hole big enough to where it don't crack the plastic. Now I'm going to take this screw, I'm going to put it over here where the hole's at. And I'm going to start threading it in there. Push down lightly. I'm going to have to make the hole a little bit bigger. And there it is. Don't screw it all the way down in there. Make sure the wire is sticking up, because it's secured with these little rubber fasteners here to where it won't go nowhere. And as you can see, it's back to normal. The screw is right here. It's not coming through, but if I need it to, I can put a longer screw. That's how you fix it. Now if you had a little bit longer screws, it would be better, because this would be up and be more level. And if I can find some more screws to put in here, I'll do that later on if this fails again. That way these will stay level and they will work a lot better. But for right now, this will be fine. This will do the job. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it back together. Now I'm going to put the feet back on. Now I'll put the top back on and I'll be finished. Is to just drop it on there like so, which is the easiest way. And just push down on it and it should be good. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.